Hey guys, in this video, I wanted to share with you 12 steps that can help you feel more motivated to make YouTube videos. And the first is you need to create a YouTube strategy that makes sense for your personality. For example, I'm a very consistent person, almost to a fault. And so I needed to build my strategy around consistency in order to be successful on YouTube because I'm playing to my strength. And so you're going to want to look at your personality and figure out a strategy that actually makes sense and that will work out for your channel. Now, I would just like to thank one of my subscribers for suggesting this video topic. And if there's a video topic that you would like me to make a video on, please let me know in the comments section below so that I can make the video for you. Now, step number 2 is establish an upload schedule that is actually realistic for your life and use the YouTube scheduling feature in order to make videos when you're actually in the mood to make videos so that when you're not in the mood or when life happens, that you can still have videos that upload on your channel. And here's the thing, there's a lot of big channels out there that only have like 30 videos, so you don't need to necessarily create a lot of content on your channel in order to actually grow a successful channel. So just set an upload schedule that is realistic and then focus on creating great content. So step number 3 is give yourself a pep talk before filming. See, if you focus on getting in the right mood before you film, then you're going to be a lot more likely to have a better filming session, which will preserve your energy and help you feel more motivated in the process of creating your video. Now, step number 4 is I would highly recommend reading some of the books by Simon Sinek. So for example, here I have 2 of his books. One is Start with Why, and the other is Finding Your Why. And if you can figure out your why, you're going to be a lot more likely to be successful on YouTube and to feel motivated to make YouTube videos. Now, step number 5 is fake it until you make it. We all start at 0 on YouTube, and sometimes it can feel hard to act like you're an expert in a particular area when in fact you're still pretty new to that area. But here's the thing, if you don't act with confidence, and if you don't keep creating videos, then you will never actually become an expert in that area. I mean, take me for example. I'm in the YouTube tips niche. I don't know everything about YouTube, but I do know that I can study a specific topic in order to become an expert in that particular area so that I can create a valuable video for you. And I did that with this video. See, I watched all the videos about how to feel motivated to make YouTube videos so that I can cover different and more effective strategies in order to help you feel more motivated to make videos on your channel. Now, step number 6 is focus on your next video. See, a lot of times newer creators, they will get obsessed with the performance of their previous video and it will distract them from focusing on their next video. So as soon as you upload a video to your channel, stop worrying about it and start researching the next topic so that you can make your next video. And an important thing to think about is a lot of times YouTube creators that are in the YouTube tips niche, they will encourage you to batch film your videos. And this is to help you be more productive on YouTube. But here's the problem. When you're a newer creator, batch filming can be very exhausting, and I have not found it to be very successful on my channel. What I do instead is I focus on my next video. And as long as I do that, I'm always creating content on my channel, which will help me grow. So step number 7 is see making videos as your reward. See, I realize we're all busy. Sometimes we have full-time jobs, we have school, and making YouTube videos can feel like another task, like another thing that you have to do. And this is the wrong mindset. YouTube should be your creative outlet. It should be your reward after you've done the things that you have to do. And if you can make this subtle yet very powerful mindset shift, it will help you be so much more successful on YouTube. So step number 8 is don't judge your channel by your subscriber count. And I can't believe I have to say this, but your subscriber count or the number of views that you get to your channel is not a depiction of your value as a person or the level of your creativity. I promise you, your content will never be appreciated as much as you would wish. And it's really important to distance yourself just a little bit from your channel. Because see, if your channel was deleted tomorrow, you would still be the same person. And so your channel is just a place that you upload your content. It's not really you. And step number 9 is just like I was saying, see your channel as a place to upload content. And when you do this, when you distance yourself a little bit from your channel, you can just focus on creating great content, which you will then upload to your YouTube channel. See, you can't force people to watch your videos. You have to instead just focus on creating great videos so that the subscribers and the views will come. So step number 10 is set goals around improving your content, not how well it will perform. So you cannot control whether or not you will get a boost from the algorithm, but you can control how you create your content. And if you're constantly focusing on trying to improve as a creator, then you will get the views that you are after. So step number 11 is don't judge your video by views. Judge them by audience retention. See, if you focus on audience retention, then you'll be working on improving your videos, and what will happen is your videos will perform better in the future, which will get you more views. But if you still want to focus on views on your channel, then what I would recommend is look at a channel that is in your niche, that is well established and has a lot more subscribers than you, and see how many views that creator gets right when they release a video within the first few hours of release. See the number of views and comments in relation to their subscriber count. And this is basically showing you the level of engagement on their channel. Say, for example, that a major creator in your niche has 100,000 subscribers, and within the first few hours of releasing a video, they get 1,000 views and 100 comments. Now, this is the level of engagement of their immediate subscribers. And say, for example, that your channel has 100 subscribers, and within the first few hours of releasing a video, you get 25 views and 25 comments. Well, if you look at the amount of comments and views in relation to subscriber count, then this tells me that your channel's doing just fine. It's not really how many subscribers you have, it's the level of engagement that you get on your channel when you release a video. So step number 12 is realize that sharing your content can be very discouraging. See, have you ever created a post on your Facebook page where you've shared your video and then it's gotten very little engagement? This kind of disheartening and discouraging experience can distract you from feeling motivated to create content. So what I would recommend is if you really want to promote your channel, do targeted self-promotion in ways that make sense, such as take out a Google ad for a specific video, or use a service like Sprizzy to promote your videos, or coordinate with another creator to promote your content. But don't always be promoting your content like dropping links on YouTube, Facebook groups, and expect your channel to really grow. See, what can happen is if you put in all this work promoting your content, then you're not focusing on improving your content, which would really help you get the views that you were after. See, for example, I was talking to a subscriber and they told me that they shared a particular video in over 50 different Facebook groups in order to just get a handful of views on their channel. That's a ton of work and can be very exhausting. And so if you focus instead on creating relationships with your subscribers, then you'll be able to release a video and you won't need to share it because you'll get views from your subscribers. So I have a bonus tip for you. Check out my video on how to set goals for YouTube. One thing that I noticed was, as I was researching this topic, that a lot of the videos talked about setting effective goals in order to be motivated to create content on YouTube. So if you watch my video, it will help you have the right focus for setting goals so that you don't get distracted or discouraged and you can feel more motivated to create YouTube videos. And I would just like to mention here, for the next 10 videos on my channel, I'm going to be encouraging my viewers to hit the like button in order to gather data about the importance of the like button in relation to getting your videos to rank in search or to get suggested by YouTube. So I'm going to be closely looking at the data over the next 10 videos. And if you would like to be involved in this research, please consider hitting the like button on this video and my future videos so that I can make my video in the future about whether or not the like button is actually important.